I'll blow ya for a quarter. I'll do it for a dime. I'll blow ya for free, Eddie. Come back anytime, Eddie. Bring your friends.
Well, hello, and welcome to Brushes of Magic, and today we're going to be doing this Pennywise Hobo Clown look. This is based off a small portion of the book where Eddie goes to this house on Neibolt Street and encounters a hobo, and things happen. So if you like this look and you want to achieve it, please stick around and watch the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is I'm going to glue down my eyebrows. I've already made a video on how I do that. I'm going to place an annotation up over here. I think that's where it pops up. It's been a while. It's been a long while. Oh well, here we go. Okay, so now I got that done. The next thing I'm going to go do is apply some of these FX transfers from Tinsley. I got these at, I think Party City last Halloween. I picked them up. I figured I'd use them for something. And so, well, here we are. First thing it says I got to do is cut the package open right across the bubble there, basically. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Now it says to peel plastic with FX from transfer paper. Then it says to turn the FX over and press face down onto the transfer paper, glossy side. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now it says cut out the portions to be used, keeping the weight from the FX edge, or I'm guessing the edge of the prosthetic. So I'm going to cut this out into sections now. Looks like there are about 4 pieces. So I'm going to figure out my cut lines and go on from there. I'm going to cut that out. So now it says to peel the plastic from the back of the FX. Then it says to place the exposed back side of the FX onto the skin and press firmly. At that point you would wet the transfer paper with water for 30 seconds and then peel the paper off. So at that point it should create a sealed prosthetic piece onto your face wherever you place it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I got to make sure to make room for the placement for the other makeup that I'll be doing for this look. First piece I'm going to do is this piece right here. So I'm going to go ahead and peel back the plastic from that. So peel back the plastic, place firmly on the face, place water on top, and then peel back the paper. Okay, that was easy enough. I'm just going to go ahead and go through with the other 4 pieces. Once again, making sure that I have room for the makeup that I'll be doing further on out. Okay, now I've got those all set in place. I'm going to let them sit for a moment, and then afterwards I'm going to go through and clean up the rough edges with a little bit of 91% alcohol, a little stronger than typical rubbing alcohol. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Mehron Tooth Effects and Nicotine. I've also got it over here as well in Spinach and Black, and I'll be going in with those colors as well, but I'm going to start out with the Nicotine. The first part of the process is you have to dry out your teeth, and then you would put on a coat, allow that to dry before going on with the next coat. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, now just to rush through that, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the other colors. You guys don't have to watch me with my gaping mouth open anymore. Yay! So the next thing I'm going to go do is go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in 107, Fresh Beige. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to apply that to the majority of the top of my face here. I'm not going to worry so much about the lower portion because that's going to be covered up with black. Going to go also over my neck just for consistency. I did lighten that a little bit with shade 101, just, I don't know, for whatever reason. I just did it. I don't know why. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with CoverGirl Clean Matte and shade 510. I'm just going to use that to set the foundation I laid on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Ben Nye Cream Colors Fire Red. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with some Johnson's Baby Powder in a sock and powder my nose. Because the clown told me to. For real. An actual clown. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with some Wet n Wild Cream Lip Liner and Berry Red. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in my waterline. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my BH Cosmetics 120 color eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go ahead and go in with that shade there. And I'm just going to go ahead and go in and shadow my eyes. Pretty much smoke it out. Now I'm going to use the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus and shade 200 Black Onyx. I'm just going to line a little bit at the top of the lid there. Very fine. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Maybelline's Full and Soft Waterproof Mascara and just add a coat to the lashes on the top. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the NYX Jumbo Eyeliner Pencil and Milk, and I'm going to use that to start to line the shape of my lips. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Ben Nye's Cream Colors and White, and I'm going to use that to fill in the lips. Now I'm going to go back in with Johnson's Baby Powder and a sock, and I'm going to powder that as well. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and Milk, and I'm going to use that to start to form the lines that I'm going to use for the mouth. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back in with the Ben Nye Cream Colors in White, and I'm going to finish off what I started there with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with the baby powder and sock again. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Ben Nye's Professional Cream Colors in Black, and I'm going to make the beard line for the clown. Well, it appears that I skipped completely over drawing on my eyebrows, of which I used the NYX Primal Colors and Hot Black. I just traced over top of that with the CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus and Basic Black. Okay, now that I'm done putting all the cream colors on, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face down with just regular water in a spray bottle to help brighten out the colors. Now I'm going to go over top of the sores that I put on earlier with glycerin. That way they have this gooey looking feel to them. Yum. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and throw on my contacts and the rest of my costume, and that'll be it. So here we are. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. All the products, as always, will be listed down below in the description, as well as all the links to all my social media. Also, I have a Patreon. If you guys would like to help contribute to help me make more of these videos, the link for that's going to be down below. If you guys have any suggestions for the Patreon, or makeups for the channel for me to do, or any suggestions for maybe what the is this thing, please let me know in the comment section down below. So I'm hoping to be filming more videos. I've got a couple of videos already filmed besides this one that I'm going to be editing and putting out there, and also a couple others that were suggested to me that I'll be filming as well, depending on time and funds. Also, if you think other people might like this video, please share it. Also, if you're new here and you want to subscribe, you can go ahead and click my face over here, the little face over here that's going to pop up here in a second with the pretty shaded lipstick on it. Yeah, yep, that one right there. That one. Click it. Click it. Also, if you want to see my last video, it should pop up right below me. And there should be another one right over there that's somewhat related to maybe your interest. Maybe. I don't know. That's YouTube. They do that. I just tell them, put one of mine over there, and they pick. They say it's based off of your preferences. I don't know. I don't know what that means. But, you know, it's over there. So, yeah. So once again, I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope to see you guys again next time.